Oh, Jurgen. Ah, Jurgen. Jurgen. Oh, Ian, thank you. Wow. Really like it, you selling me on the transfer market very much. Thank you so much for me, Jurgen. Jurgen Klopp. I realize that. Wow, really. Good guy, Jurgen, actually, to be fair to him. We've now got 1.4, 1.5 million coins to spend. England? Right mid, come on. Sancho! Get him, boys! Here we go! What's going on? It's my second pack video of FIFA 21 and it's gonna be a good one! And one of these, and that's it. We're keeping the rest of our coins for a rainy day. No, we can build the video up. Oh, Walkout! Germany. Neuer! Yes! Here we go. Here we go. Neuer's doing the worm, you know. Wait, look, Kempner's just texted me. I'm going to send him this. It's our 100k pack that we got for, what, 50 wins in Weekend League, I think? It's blue. 100k pack, not even a board. 100k pack, not even a board. Oh, there's a little cheeky Icardi. And Lo Celso just about rescues it. We've got Mendy. We've got two Mendy's untradeable. What do we do? Oh no! What are the chances of that? Walkout. Brazil. Neymar. Yo, you did! You love to see it! Yes! Get in! Gotta be done. Gotta be done. I'm sending. Who can I send? I'm gonna send to everyone. Mega pack. Is it tradable? Is it an untradeable Neymar? It's untradeable. Untradeable Neymar. We have packed an absolute end of season. Oh my god. I'm buzzing. And then Neymar's fit straight into the squad. He fits straight in the team. Cam, I hate to break it to you, mate, but you've got a YouTube video to make, son.